Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set speak keyboard input allowed to read characters, words, or characters in words on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on advanced settings. In advanced settings, go down and tap on speak keyboard input allowed. Tap on the left hand side panel. Now at the top here, you can tap on it to switch on speak keyboard input allowed. Then you go down to the what to read section, and here you can choose characters, words, or characters in words. And after that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.